Hello DIY project lovers. Today in this video I will show how to make a radar with ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. The programming is done in Arduino IDE and the radar is displayed using the processing IDE. The ultrasonic sensor is mounted on a servo motor which rotates sideways. The sensor scans area within its distance. Let's say there is nothing in front of the sensor at about a distance of 40 cm. Then all green lines are displayed on the radar. If we place an object within the 40 cm range, then the sensor detects the object and that is indicated by the red lines on the radar. Let's see the hardware components we need for this project. We need an Arduino. Then we need an ultrasonic sensor, a 180-degree servo motor. This is SG90 180-degree servo motor. And lastly, we need a small breadboard and some jumper wires. Now let's see the circuit connection. As we need 5 volt and ground for both ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, that's why we are taking 5 volt from Arduino to the breadboard and ground from the Arduino to breadboard. We'll use this VCC, 5 volt and ground for both ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. Now let's connect the ultrasonic sensor with the Arduino board in the following way. VCC of ultrasonic sensor will be connected with 5 volt which comes from Arduino. Ground of ultrasonic sensor will be connected with ground which comes from Arduino. The trigger of ultrasonic sensor will be connected to the digital pin 10 to the Arduino. Eco pin will be connected with digital pin 11 of Arduino. Then next connect the servo motor as follows. We can see there are 3 wires in servo motor, red, brown and orange. The red color wire will be connected with 5 volt. The brown wire will be connected with ground. And the orange will connect to Arduino digital pin 12. After completing the hardware connection, now let's go to the software section. For this project, coding is divided into 2 parts. In first part, we need to do programming on Arduino IDE. Step 1. Download Arduino IDE. I'll share the link. You can download from the link. Step 2. Open a new sketch after installing Arduino IDE. Step 3. Copy the code from given link and paste it in the sketch. Let me explain the code shortly. The first thing is library. In Arduino, much like other leading programming platforms, there are built-in libraries that provide basic functionality. Here in the code includes the servo library. Then come pin definitions. To use the Arduino pins, you need to define which pin is being used and its functionality. Here defines trigger and eco pin of ultrasonic sensor. The functionality is either input or output and is defined by using the pin mode method in the setup section. Then comes variable declarations. Whenever we are using Arduino, we need to declare global variables. A variable allows us to name and store a value to be used in the future. Here in the code, variable for the duration and the distance. Then we need to create a servo object for controlling the servo motor. Now comes to the setup section. Every Arduino sketch must have a setup function. This function defines the initial state of Arduino upon boot and runs only once. Here in the code, we will define the pin functionality using the pin mode function. Sets the trigger pin as an output and the eco pin as an input, and defines on which pin is the servo motor attached. Then we are adding serial begin for communicating with the serial monitor. Now let's come to the most important part, which is loop. The loop function is also a must for every Arduino sketch. It is the main function and it's run in a loop over and over again. The loop describes the main logic of your circuit. Here in the first part is for rotating the servo motor from 15 degree to 165 degrees. You can change this angle according to your demand. The next part is calling a function for calculating the distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor for each degree. This function will add outside the loop, and whenever we need that calculation, we can call that function. So here in the code, after closing the loop, we are creating that function for calculating the distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor. And the last part inside the loop is rotating the servo motor from 165 degree to 15 degree. Step 4. Select the board and port and then run the program. Remember the port number. Arduino IDE coding part is done. Now we'll go to processing. Processing is a free graphics library and integrated development environment built for the electronic arts, new media art, and visual design communities. We will see the radar in this processing IDE. Step 1. Download the processing IDE software from the link. Step 2. Unzip the folder after download. You'll find processing IDE inside the folder. Step 3. Open the processing. Then copy the code from the link I share and paste in the sketch. Step 4. Check the code line 19. You will find the port number written as COM13. You must match it with the COM number you used in your Arduino IDE. I will edit the COM number. I will write COM82 as I used COM82 in my Arduino IDE. You must edit the COM number according to your Arduino IDE. Step 5. After mentioning the port number, run the program. As soon as you run the program, you will find the radar display in your computer. Thanks for watching. If you face any problem to do this project, leave a comment. I will try to answer.